RAM. So, RAM is one of the most important parts of a PC. And mine is trash. So let's fix that. I got 16 gigabytes of RAM here. Take your PC, turn it upside down. Make sure to unscrew it, take off the back. Now you'll see your naked PC. Here's my SSD and my RAM. It's not soldered, so I can take that out. And I have two spots. Perfect. You're gonna push down on both sides of it, and it will pop out like so. Then you just grab it, take it out. Pretty easy. Take your new RAM. I decided to take off the sticker. Make sure the gap lines up, push it in, push it down, and it will be locked in. Like so. Put it on the back, wait for the click. And now, turn it around, open it up, turn it on, and go to Task Manager. I have 16 gigabytes and 32 megahertz.